So I finally picked up this Satechi hub for my Mac Mini M4 Pro, and it has been a game changer. It fits perfectly with my Mac Mini M4 Pro. It looks sleek, it has a cool looking design. But for this part of the video, I'll let you watch me struggle with this box. Considering this is an unboxing video, it should have been much easier, but anyways. Right out of the box, it's pretty lightweight. It has this slot in the back which makes it easier for me to reach the power button. This Thunderbolt cable is to easily attach this to my device. It has a bunch of ports at the front. It has 3 USB-A ports and SD card slot in front. But the best part is that in the bottom of this hub there is the slot for SSD installation. You can install any SSDs. There are a bunch of variations on Amazon or other websites. You can buy any of those, and they also provide you with these micro tools or tiny tools to make the installation much easier.
Come on, man.
And when you put your Mac Mini on it, it becomes one single unit, so it looks pretty sleek. And this video is not really sponsored, so it doesn't really matter if you buy it or not, but I'm gonna put the link in the description anyways. And thanks for watching.